Hello students, welcome to Central University website. Now I am going to walk you through how to access our online databases when you are on campus using the school. Now we are logged on, or when you are online, kindly go to Central University, www.central.edu.gh. When you click on the website, just look for the Library tab at the extreme right-hand side of your screen, and then scroll down to e-Services. Select e-Services, wait for it to load up. So here we are on the page. This is where you access your online databases from off-campus. Do not click here when you are on campus. Just scroll down, you will find all the databases down here. Over here, kindly scroll through the databases to see which one best suits you. EBSCOhist is a multidisciplinary database. Emerald is business administration, management, and information technology bias. Taylor and Francis is also multidisciplinary, but a bit science bias. Now, depending on which of them best suits you, you can click on the link attached to it, not on their names. So if you click on the link attached to Emerald, a new tab will open. This is what you would see. Most of the time you do not need any username or password. Emerald is one of such databases. Meanwhile, there are other databases that you need username and password before you can access. I will go back and see how those ones work. So, this time, what looks like this is the basic search. That is why you are seeing a single search box. But we always advise that you use the advanced search feature, which is down here. So, you click on advanced search, and this takes you to the advanced search interface. In this interface, you can use Boolean operators to combine multiple search terms and things like that. I will do that, but let us go back and look at how the other databases look like. So, for instance, let's look at EBSCOhist, which is one of the databases that require username and password. Click on the link attached. I logged in a few minutes ago, so I have saved my username and password. I will just sign in and show you how the interface looks like. So, this is how it looks like. As you can see in EBSCOhist you still have this basic search. A single search box. This is why you see this basic search selected, and up here you see the basic search up here as well. To switch to the advanced feature, click on advanced search. And this is how the EBSCOhist advanced feature looks like. In order to conduct any search at all, you need to first come up with a research question. You need to plan your research. Once you have planned your research, determine which of the words in there are the keywords. Once you have determined the keywords in the research question, we then need to put the keywords together. Put the keywords in the search boxes. Separate each keyword from the other and combine them with what we call Boolean operators. Now Boolean operators, in this small box here you have these three operators. These are the three Boolean operators we have: and, or, and not. And combines words. For instance, if you say, Philip and Jewel, what happens is this: the search engine will bring together every information that has both Philip and Jewel in it together. Philip or Jewel will bring either one of them. And then Philip, not Jewel, would bring up information about Philip, eliminating every information about Jewel. Everything about Jewel will be taken out. Having said that, let us go ahead and do a few tests and see how this really works. So, for instance, if you want to do a search on academic performance and universities and colleges, what it means is that information that comes up must contain these three things. You can see over here that we have this number of results. Now let us change one of the operators and see what happens. So, let us change this one to say, or. So, you want to see academic performance and universities or colleges. So, it will bring either universities or colleges. One of them. So, let us see what happens. We have a lot more results. So, we use OR to broaden our search base when you think you have to. And then we used not to further limit it. So let us try not and see what happens. And these are the results we have. There are other ways that you can limit your search. For instance, when you look on the left side of the screen over here, you find all these limiters. When you are using a smaller screen, like a phone, you will not see this. You will see something like this. So, all you need to do is to click on the arrows here to open it up. You can limit your information to full text, only so that you get access to all the resources that you have full access to, and you can see that the number of results has further reduced. You can limit to references available. You can even limit it to scholarly or peer-reviewed resources only. So let us do that as well. These are your results. I hope you are taking notes of the number of results we are getting. You can go ahead and limit it to a particular period. Limit your publication to a particular period. Say from within 2015 to 2021. We want current information. And we have just 2,000. This has been arranged by default in the order of relevance. There are much more limiters and you can play with them and see how they all work. But by default, the database has arranged your information according to relevance, which is why you are seeing relevance here. So, in order for you to change the order, maybe you want to see the newest information first. Just click on relevance here, and then you can select the date newest, and it will quickly reshuffle everything and bring you the latest publication. So, this is the latest publication, which is 2021. You can tell you want the oldest one. You want the oldest piece of information, and this one is in 2015. That is how to use the advanced search feature. One more thing you need to know is that if you have more keywords and the keywords are not fitting into just 3, you can always add more search boxes. And you can simply take them out if you do not need them. So, this I think is everything we need to talk about for now. Have a fruitful study.